Now I'll say it again. Okay, Kriti is from Kolkata, India. She had been associated with meditation when she was in class 10. Since then, it had been a long bonding of 25 years. From the last 25 years, she kept on learning and implementing. Now think about us that we are just learning and we were talking about implementing things. She has been doing it from past 10 years. Or she tried and tested and learned many modalities, but never thought that she can teach meditation to people around her. But as planned by the universe, and when pandemic and lockdown happened, it gave her a complete new meaning. She started seeing life with totally a new perspective because she lost both of her parents due to COVID. So I'm so sorry to hear about that, Kriti. She thought mental stability is the need of the hour. She started teaching meditation with 5 to 6 closest family members from the month of June. And since then, there is no looking back. She is happy if she could touch the heart of people and bring even a little bit change in their life. And if she started back in June with 5 family members, I have attended her session, and now she has more than 500 people in her sessions, and it is crowded. So it is amazingly what an amazing change. Now the topic that she is going to teach is called Swar Vigyan. Swar Vigyan is an ancient science, and it is associated with our nervous system. It is also known as Sarvadaya Gyan. Now, what exactly it is, the details and everything, I would like Kriti to talk about it. So over to you, Kriti. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you, Prachi ji and Komal ji, for having faith in me and calling me here to share what little bit I had observed in my journey. So I don't need to introduce myself, as Prachi ji has already introduced me. So I am here today to talk about Swar Vigyan. So what basically is Swar? It is also known as Swar Yoga. Yoga means not the yoga which we people do postures and exercise. Swar means in Sanskrit is breathing. Swar is totally associated with breathing. Today we will talk totally about breathing. Now most of the people will say, what is the big difference about breathing? We all do breathe, but we know we are breathing in an unaware state. We are totally breathing unawarely. जो
Kriti,
हम बोलते हैं ना,
sorry to disturb. थोड़ा mic थोड़ा सा दूर रखोगे ना, तो the breathing that you're doing, it won't make a sound. Mic थोड़ा सा दूर, थोड़ा सा, हाँ.
okay, let me change to AirPods. Okay. So Swar Vigyan, is it fine now? Yeah. So Swar Vigyan is totally controlling your breathing. Now the question arises, how can we control our breathing? There are different techniques. And this Swar Vigyan was first told to Saraswati Parvati ji by Shiva. हम जब शिवा सूत्र पढ़ते हैं, it is also given in brief in Shiva Sutra. In Shiva Sutra, it is given how Shiva told Parvati about this Gyan. So it is a pure science. ये कोई अंधविश्वास या superstitions की चीजें नहीं है. This is not superstition. It is pure science. It is we all know our breathing is associated with our nervous system. All of us has two brain, right brain and left brain. Everybody know this. Okay. People who work with their right hand, people who work with their right hand, उनका left brain चलता है. Whenever we say our left brain is more active, those people work with their right hand. And the people who are left-handed, those who work more with their left-handed, उनका right brain चलता है. Their right brain is more activated. We all know this. And so the same thing is associated with our breathing. Can anybody tell me how do we breathe? If I ask this question, everybody will say, We breathe from one ear, we inhale from one nostril and we exhale from the other nostril, right? I think all of you will say this. We breathe from one nostril and we exhale from the other nostril. But this is a complete myth. This is fully wrong. Check. Everybody check once. We breathe from one nostril and we exhale also from the same nostril. See, if you will check by keeping your fingers below your nostrils, you can find out that one nostril is totally inactive. We are breathing, we are inhaling and exhaling from the same nostril. The other nostril is fully inactive. Is it so? Isn't it? See, at present, my right nostril is active. My left nostril is totally inactive.
It's absolutely
Mine left
correct.
is active.
It's absolutely correct. So I had broken the long myth that we inhale from one and exhale from other. सबने अपना check कर लिया. Everybody can see this on themselves, can experiment on themselves. So what is the science? Why do we breathe from one nostril? Some people said they are breathing from the right nostril. Somebody said we are breathing from the left nostril. So there is a science behind this also. Since we have two hemispheres of our brain, right brain and the left brain. Sometimes we will see we breathe from the right nostril. Sometimes we will see we are breathing from the left nostril. And sometimes we will see we are breathing from both the nostril. And these durations, whenever we start breathing from the right nostril, it's generally is there for 1 hour 25 minutes. It is the duration of the per nostril. 1 hour 25 minutes from the right nostril. Then again, it automatically changes to 1 hour 25 minutes to the left nostril. This is what we come with an inbuilt system. And when we breathe from both nostril, the duration is very, very low. That is just 20 seconds to at most of 2 minutes. When we breathe from both the nostril, the duration is very low. It is at most from 20 seconds to 2 minutes. Now, what this breathing is known as? Whenever whoever is breathing from the right nostril, it is called as Surya Nadi, as it is associated with Surya. It is called as Surya Nadi, as it is associated with Surya. And whenever we breathe through our left nostril, we call it Chandra Nadi, which is associated with Chandrama. And now what is this Nadi? Nadi means Pran Urja, cosmic energy. Yes, Surya Nadi, right? Yeah, Prachi ji, I will give it to you in written. You can forward it in your group. It will be easier for the people to check. Surya Nadi is right and Chandra Nadi is left. And when we breathe from both the nostril, it is known as Shushmana. It is known as Shushmana Nadi. Okay, Surya Nadi lasts for 1 hour 25 minutes. Chandra Nadi also lasts for 1 hour 25 minutes, and both nostrils 20 seconds to 2 minutes to the utmost. Shushmana. Now, whenever we breathe from right nostril, it is associated with, I said, Surya. Surya is symbolizing Garmi, hotness. You will see whenever you are in anger, whenever you are feeling hyper, your Surya Nadi is activated. You will be amazed to see. Whenever you are whenever you are angry, you are hyperactive, you are in tension, your Surya Nadi is active. You can, this whole day, you can check this out. And whenever you are in the mood to do something creative, you are cool, you are not in tension, your Chandra Nadi is active because it is associated with coolness. Everybody clear till here? Or I need to repeat something? Okay, fine.
I've also made available the chat, so you guys can send messages to her also. Yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
So this is clear. Right nadi, life nadi, and what is the meaning of nadi? I am saying Surya nadi, Chandra nadi, Shushmana nadi. What do we mean by the word nadi? Nadi means the cosmic energy which flows within us. The cosmic energy which is flowing inside us. You can, in other words, you can say the breath, the oxygen, the carbon dioxide, which is flowing through the veins inside our body. There are 70,000 nadis in our body, which is just below our hara chakra. Everybody know, below our navels. There are 70,000 nadis. But the most important are three nadis: Ingla, Pingla, Shushmana. We say there are three most important nadis, or the channel through which we breathe: Ingla, Pingla, Shushmana. So Ingla nadi is our right nostril, जिसको हमने बोला Surya nadi. Surya nadi is Ingla. Chandra nadi, left nadi, is Pingla. And Shushmana is when we breathe through both the nostrils. You don't have to remember Ingla, Pingla if it's becoming complicated for you. You can just remember right nadi, Surya nadi, left hand, Chandra nadi, both the nostrils, Shushmana. These three just you have to remember. Now, people who are doing, who are more in the creative field, nowadays everybody is sitting and doing most of the work. When you are thinking something, when you are drawing something, when you are doing some creative, some office work, like the students who are doing more of writing and learning, then they should do this work during their Chandra nadi. Because Chandra nadi is cooler side and is associated, Chandrama is associated with our Chandra is associated with our Avchetan man. We say na subconscious mind, unconscious mind. So whenever we study during this Chandra Swar, then we are able to learn better. Sometimes we say na there are children, they study all the time, but they are unable to learn. Why? Because they are doing it in a wrong swar. They are doing it in a Surya swar. If you make your children memorize something, learn something, study something in Chandra swar, you will see they are able to do it more better way. If you are doing also some office work, you need to concentrate on it, but you are unable to concentrate because you are doing it in Surya Nadi. If you will start doing it in Chandra Nadi, it will be easier for you to concentrate and memorize your office works, the points, the meetings and everything. So this is something very magical. And this is not something superstitious. I will say again and again, it is the body of our science, is the science of our body with which we are born with. And people, sometimes we go to gym and we say, today we couldn't do exercise in much better way. I don't know why. Sometimes we say, wow, aaj exercise bahut acha hua. Why? Because when we exercise, when we do some physical heavy work, we have to do it in Surya Nadi. Surya is associated with Surya. Surya is associated with sun, and it gives vital energies to our body. And whenever our Surya Nadi is active, we should do physical work, any sort of exercise, playing, anything. Sometimes we see people, some they say we don't eat much, we do eat very low, very low quantity of food we take, but still our weight is so much. Why? Because in their body Chandra Nadi is more active. People eat their food in the wrong nadi. Most of you must have heard na ki whenever we have food, we should not drink water just after the food. we should wait for half an hour or 1 hour, then only we should consume water. What is the science behind it? What is the science behind it? Whenever we eat food, we say na there is a jathar agni in our pet, in our gut, in our stomach. There's a fire which digests this food. But you know, this fire is only activated when we eat food in Surya Nadi, because Surya is hotness. Surya is associated with hotness. Whenever we eat food in a Surya Nadi, then only this food is digested. If we eat food in a Chandra Nadi, this food is not digested, which lead to acidity and gastric problem. So whenever we eat food, we have to check which Nadi is working. If we eat food in a Surya Nadi, that means our right nostril, our food will definitely be digested. Whatever you eat, it won't form gastric or any type of indigestion in your body. And why we say drink water 1 hour after the food? Because see, after 1 hour, our Chandra Nadi gets activated. Na? Chandra Nadi is associated with coolness. And in that only we should drink water so that it doesn't diminishes the fire within our body. Everybody getting it? Or it's becoming too heavy?
No, I think there is already questions coming, so it's
Okay.
going great.
Okay. I didn't saw the questions. Let me check. Okay, so by checking which nostril you are breathing, you choose to work. Yeah, I will tell you. So everybody got it clear which how to check which nostril is working and what work we should do in which nostril. There are long list of what type of work we should do in which nostril, but today I had just given a brief just about food and the basic works. So whenever we eat food, just try to check which nadi you are working. If it's a Chandra nadi, we should switch it to Surya nadi. Now the question is, how can we switch it? Suaji, you just put those people who had joined late. For them, I will repeat once again. You can, there are many ways of checking which nadi is working. First of all, I will tell you all the ways. First of all, you can put both your fingers under your nostrils and you can say, you can check which of your nostril is working. You will find the wind flow from only one nostril. The other nostril you can't find out any wind flow. And secondly, you can take your thumb, press one of your nose and start breathing from one of the nose. And then check the other nostril. You will see from one nostril, there is a free flow and other nostril, there is a little blockage you will feel. Isn't it? Ramya ji, you are trying it. Can you feel the blockage in the other nostril? And from one nostril, there is a free flow. So wherever there is a free flow, that means that nostril is working. Okay. Now the question arises, how to change this? Yes, we can change this. Our destiny is in our hand. And this is the key to success. We can say power to success. We had seen old saints and yogis. They used to carry one U-shaped danda and put their hand like this. Na? In old pictures, we had seen that U-shaped danda with a stand and they used to put a hand like this. What was that for? That was not just for their giving a strength to their hand or giving a support to their hand. That was the way of changing the swar. That is the way of changing the swar. Yes, that is the reason they keep that danda. We have seen a kamandalu also with them, na? That is also the way of changing the swar. So in today's world, we can't use that danda and kamandalu, right? We have to find our own way. So what is the easiest way? First of all, everybody check which swar is working. We will change it. Everybody check their own swar. We will shift it to other. Okay, Prachi ji ka left. Komal ji ka right. Pratiksha ji ka left. Okay, somebody's left, somebody's right. So now, whichever nostrils you are breathing with, just close it. Prachi ji, okay, I will take the example of Prachi ji. Prachi ji, you just with your thumb close your left nostril as it is the active one and start breathing from the right. Breathe, stop, breathe, hold, then exhale. Breathe, hold, exhale. If you do it for 2 minutes, it will change. Since we are practicing it, we can change it really fast. Since you people are new, it will take you 2 minutes. It will take you 2 minutes. But those who are already practicing yoga or the pranayam, they can change it really fast. Yes, Prachi ji, both will be on for few seconds only. Before we switch, na, both are on. But after few seconds, for a few more seconds, few more inhalation and exhalation, you can see your right head started. It will take approx 2 minutes. It will take 2 minutes. Everybody start changing. In between, I will brief some few other things. Ravindra ji, you are muted. If you want to say something, please unmute yourself.
After 2 minutes, you are telling that it will get changed. So
Yeah.
it will continue for 1 hour.
Approx, if you don't change yourself.
Okay.
And it sometimes get changes before that also because of a wrong way of posture, wrong eating habit, emotional imbalances. It changes by itself also. I was telling you, some people are very lean and thin. They say we don't gain weight because unke body mein Surya Nadi is more active. Throughout the day, Surya Nadi is more active in their body and it increases their metabolism. And some people are very much prone to cold and cough. They very easily get cold and cough. Why? In their body, the Chandra Nadi is more active, which is prone to cold. So we need to balance these two. All the diseases which are associated with coolness, like we say baat ka darad, gas ka darad, how it is happening in our body, because when the coolness started in our body, we have baat ka darad, gastric, joints pain. These all are associated with coolness. That means us person ka Chandra Nadi zyada chal raha hai. They have to switch it to Surya Nadi. And जिनको इंडाइजेशन का प्रॉब्लम है, उनके बॉडी में सूर्य नहीं चल रहा है, चंद्र ही ज्यादा चल रहा है, they have to again switch to Surya Nadi. The person who is very angry all the time, who has migraines, headache, who has different type of issues associated with the hotness of the like rashes, unke body mein Surya Nadi is more active. They have to switch to Chandra Nadi. So take a look at your body, take a look of the disease you are having, then think with which nadi it is associated. Is it associated with coolness or hotness? If you start working on it, anybody having cold and cough over here? Anybody having cold and cough over here? किसी को भी थोड़ा सा भी सर्दी जुकाम है? Nobody? Allergies. Okay. नहीं, अभी at present if they are having some cold and cough, I would have shown. जैसे कि if somebody is having cold and cough, तो अब वो they should close their left nostril. Left nostril is associated with Chandra, I said, na, coolness, and they should start breathing with Surya Nadi. And immediately उनको cold में उनको आराम मिल जाएगा. immediately unko cold mein, and they will start sweating.
My nadi changed.
Your nadi
I started
change.
breathing from the right
Yes,
now.
and but somebody is giving me a message कि उनका change नहीं हुआ.
Nahi hua.
हाँ.
I
Okay.
think it also takes practice, Parvesh.
Yes, you have to practice, but already if somebody is in meditation, when somebody is doing yoga, pranayam or any breathing technique, उनका बहुत जल्दी change हो जाता है. But if you are not practicing this, it may take time, 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes.
There is another
Yes.
question
Yes,
from
from Ramya
Sajal.
ji. Okay.
Actually, there is a question that we missed from Sajal.
Okay.
He's saying that it is funny question, but does breathing from mouth has any effect on nadi?
No. Breathing from mouth has no effect on nadi because breathing is from nostril only. That is the right way of breathing. When we breathe from mouth, that is not the right way of breathing. So I think I had made myself clear till here. So it has now we were talking about how to change the nadis. This was one of the way which we did by closing one nose and breathing through the other, which we want to activate. If we do it from 2 minutes for 2.5 minutes, but when you become a pro in that, you can do it just in 30 seconds or 50 seconds also. But we have to practice it. And secondly, you can do one thing is like you can take some heavy things like kamandalu. I said na they used to have a kamandalu. So just side ka you want to change the breathing, you take a kamandalu in that hand. We can't take kamandalu. We can take some heavy things like we can take a file or you can take a bottle available with you, and you can just put it under your armpit. Put it under your armpit for a few minutes and it will change. Or you can just take your hand, put it under your armpit, press it hard. Okay, like this. You can put your hand, put it under your armpit, press it hard. For a few minutes, you have to keep it like this. Again, your swar will change.
And is it the opposite or the same side?
Same side, same side. Yeah, Priji, we have to hold it for few seconds. Like we are breathing. One, hold it for few seconds, just exhale. So, जैसे अभी मेरा right नाड़ी चल रहा है, I want to change it to the left. So I will just take my right hand, put it in my armpit for few minutes, again 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, or it depends upon your practice. It will change to left side. This is the second technique. Third technique is whenever we want to change our nadi, we can sleep on that direction. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना करवट लेके सोते हैं. Whenever we take a karvat, if we are sleeping on the right karvat, our left nostril will work. And if we are sleeping on a left karvat, our right nostril will work. This you can check whenever you wake up in the morning. Whenever you wake up in the morning, just check on which side you are sleeping. Then you will see the other nostril is working. And it is very much advisable that you all sleep on your left karvat at night, left side at night, because night ko chandra hota hai, which give coolness to our body. Our body is made of 75% water. Our body is already cool, 75% water, and when the moon arises, its coolness give more coolness to the water in our body. इसीलिए sometimes we see na we are more sniffing and gale ka throat, everything is more at night, more aggravated at night. Why? Because Chandra energy is giving more coolness to the water in our body. So whenever we sleep in the left side at night, our Surya Nadi gets activated, which bring hotness in our body. So it balances the coolness and hotness in our body. It brings the balance of hotness and coolness in our body. So it is advisable that at night, try to sleep on your left to the maximum. I was very much prone to cold and cough, very much. Subah sniffing and sneezing started. But whenever I had started this technique of sleeping on the left side of at night, now there is no allergy, no coughing, no sniffing early in the morning. And I had practicing it just from the last few months only. And it was It has shown me miraculous results. And whoever have a gastric problem, indigestions problem, they should check before eating that they are eating the food at the right nadi. They should eat food only when it's Surya Nadi working. It is said if your Surya Nadi is working and when you are eating during your Surya Nadi, you can digest anything. You can digest anything. Because the fire in your belly is at the highest and the utmost during that time. Today, wherever you feel angry, just check your Surya Nadi is working. Today, whenever you are feeling angry, just check the Surya Nadi is working. Uh, anything else? Or shall we start with the meditation, Prachitji?
Prachitji, that
There
migraine
is a couple
question.
questions actually.
Okay, just tell me. I am not paying attention to the question.
I can go ahead and ask the question for you. So Priya,
Yes.
I hope the question is clear. How long you need to hold the breath while
Yes.
changing nadi?
Yes, I got it.
2.5 minutes is good. Kriti ji?
No, I think I'm
Yes.
talking about like in the middle of the breath. I think she answered it. She said few seconds.
Yes, few seconds. And yes, nobody asked me this question, which I was waiting. What happened when both our nostrils work? What we should do during that time? Whenever our both the nostrils work, that is to the utmost of 2 minutes. It won't last more than 2 minutes. You should not do anything that time. You should not do anything at that time. Because that is a very dangerous thing, actually, we say in Swar Vigyan. At that time, it is said you are directly connected to the divine also, it is said. And during that time, just close your eye, pray, chant or meditate. You should pray, chant or meditate only during this time. It is said, whenever we go for a marriage na, whenever we go for a marriage, शादी में हम लोगों के जो गठबंधन होता है ना, when we tie the knot, it is said the person who is tying that knot, if they tie it in a Shushmana Nadi, nobody can stop that marriage to be broken.
Wow.
शादी को टूटने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता. Shushmana Nadi में कभी भी no good work should be done. If you are buying a flat, if you are buying a car, or you are going for any of the good work, you should never go out in Shushmana Nadi. It won't work. It won't work. Nobody can stop it. Kai baar we buy a flat, we buy a car, and sometimes we say, जब से ये खरीदा है तब से ही problem हो रहा है. Sometimes we say for some things, जब से ये खरीदा है मुझे फल ही नहीं रहा है. We say this thing. This is not giving me benefit. The shop is not giving me benefit. This business is not giving me benefit. This partnership is not giving me benefit. This car, whenever till has come to my house, I don't know what had happened. It has brought me bad luck. Why? Why? What is luck? There is nothing called luck. You had done a wrong dealing in a wrong nadi. You had done that dealing in your Shushmana nadi. You had done that dealing in a Shushmana nadi. You should never do these things. Partnership deals, any sign, any bank account kholna, buying a new car, anything you should not do. This is a message from the universe. This is a message from the nature that you should stop here. If you're going for any kind of dealing, just check. If your Shushmana Nadi is working, don't do it. This is a message from the universe. भगवान खुद नहीं आते हैं, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं किसी तरह से मैसेज देते हैं. God doesn't come by themselves, but they give message that you should stop here.
So
And
Kriti, I have a question
we
here.
overlook these messages because, yes.
So if we are
Yeah,
driving,
Prachiti.
so if we are driving or something, and if we notice that both of them are working, should we just pull the car or something, or if we're just out, sometimes you don't really notice when we step out of the house. And I have attended this session, so I'm asking a little bit a question ahead, but I had this question. So if you're stepping out and you have not noticed, usually we don't notice, and we walked out, we started driving, and the moment you start driving and you notice that both of them are working, should we pull the car
Stop.
up?
Yeah, should pull the
Stop,
car.
right?
Pull the car for 2 minutes. 2
Hmm.
minutes is not expensive
Yeah.
than
Okay.
your life, isn't it? For 2 minutes is not expensive than your life.
Yeah.
So
So
same thing goes when you say Sushumna Nadi is active, not to buy flat or car or anything. So you can just wait for 2 minutes.
yes,
And
you
then
have
the-
to wait. Just sit. Just
Okay.
sit. For a flattened car, I will say some other day. It's a big thing. Like whenever flattened car kaise kharidna hai, there's a different technique. I will talk some other day. I think today time won't permit us. Today I am talking about few other things.
Mhm.
Like yes, Shushmana Nadi. And अगर किसी की सुषुम्ना नाड़ी works for more than 24 hours, that means that person is going to die. When before we die, our Shushma Nadi works for 3 days continuous. That means हमें 3 दिन पहले से पता चल जाता है we are going to die. Any person who is in their deathbed, their Shushma Nadi starts working, and it works for 4 days. 4
It is
days before
continuous.
meeting the device. Yes, continuous. No other nadi will work. You can't change it even if you try to. It will continuous work for 4 days before meeting the divine.
And there is no way you can change it.
No.
Amazing. Isn't it amazing? Like, I mean, think about it, just your breath. We've been doing a meditation on the breath, and the breath is so important that it can do
But
anything.
still
to
we are so unaware of it, isn't
you,
it?
right? Yeah.
We are so unaware of it. पहले के लोगों को we said na that Baba used to say ये कब मरने वाला है. Baba has predicted the right time when the person is going to die. So this is just your breath. When if your Shushmana is started working from long hours, and it's for if somebody is in a deathbed, you can check if it is working for continuous 4 days. That means that person is going to meet the divine.
Okay. I heard sometime before that when we are switching over from right nostril to left nostril, there is a gap of some
Few
minutes.
seconds. No, not minutes. Few fraction of seconds. Just
But
few
that-
fraction of seconds.
Acha. But that time I have heard about it. That time the universal power, that is cosmic power, is traveling through your body, going to earth, collecting the information and again going back. So that time it tunes all the 7 chakras.
Yes,
Is it true?
tunes. Yeah, this is very much true. This is very
Thank
much
you.
true, but that lasts for very fraction of seconds. Very
it?
fraction of seconds. Yes, जब आप change करते हो ना अपने nostrils को, that is for very fraction of seconds. You won't आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा, and it will change, it will come and it will go. But you can only notice this when you become a pro in it. When you become a pro in it, then only you can find out, yes, my Shushmana is working. My Shushmana is working.
So one of the person is saying, is it time for payment or start from the home? So when you start from the home, or is it during the time of the payment?
Yes, there is a different ways.
Yeah.
Morning, when you step out of the house, just check which of your nadi is working. If it's Chandra Nadi, first put your Chandra Nadi is which leg, which nostril? Left nostril, right?
Left nostril. Yeah.
Left nostril. So if your Chandra Nadi is working, put your left leg outside your house first.
Okay.
If your Surya Nadi is working, put your right leg outside your house first. Whenever you are stepping into your car, if your Chandra Nadi is active, put your right leg inside your car first. If your Surya Nadi is active, put your right leg into your car first. If you follow this small techniques, you will never meet an accident even. Yes, this is something so amazing. You will never meet an accident in your life. कहते हैं होनी को कोई नहीं टाल सकता. If you are destined to meet a big accident, you will meet. But if you are following this nadi step, वो खाली आपको छू के निकल जाएगा.
So it
But
is
that
kind
is-
of opposite.
Yeah, for
When
the
you
car,
are
you
getting
said
out of the
opposite.
house, is opposite to when you're getting into the car. So if your
No.
Chandra Nadi is working, you are putting your left foot outside the house. But when you are sitting, I mean, getting into the car, you are putting your right foot first.
No, if you are sorry, if by the meanwhile, if the nadi has changed, in the meanwhile, from stepping the car to the from coming out of your house to sitting on your car, if your nadi has switched, then only you will put the other leg. If it is running the same. Now, if you are going to your office now, entering an office, if your office is like 1 hour drive, 2 hour drive, in between, if your nadi has changed, in between it will definitely change. Most of the time it will change. So again, stepping out of the car, check the nadi, put that leg first. Whenever entering the office, entering your cabin, put that leg only first.
So if
And if-
Chandra Nadi is working when you're getting into the car, you are putting your left foot inside
No,
first.
yes.
Okay.
Chandra nadi
But-
is left, Surya nadi is right. Just remember this thing. Surya is
Okay.
right, Chandra is left.
But what about then scooter and motorcycle?
That is a big question. Very intelligent question. I have to find out that. I have to find out about that. Very nice question. I will have to find
Nice.
out from my mentor.
So there are some more questions, but those are more disease related. And I have just spoken to PTG because this is so vast topic.
This is
Even when we
vast.
do it,
This can go on for months.
actually it ran for 4 to 5 days. So and there are so many diseases, there are
Today,
so many
yes.
things when you're making a payment, when you're dealing with something, the kids stuff. I mean, the list is endless. So
Endless.
again, we will, if we do everything right now, we will miss. So we have decided.
First, first you check, you learn to check which nadi is working, because this will also make you understand in 2-3 days. Because if you will check, you will feel, no, my both nostrils are working, but no, both are not working. Only one is working. First, you have to check which nadi is working. Remember which nadi is called what. Just remember this and remember how to change it.
And then if we do just a basic stuff that she said, like, sleeping in the night, getting up in the
Bas.
morning, which leg you have to get up with.
Only follow this. I don't follow much. I just follow waking up in the morning. Waking up in the morning ka ritual I just follow. What I do, you wake up in the morning, whenever you open your eyes, just check which nadi is working. Okay, if your left nadi is working, just put your left feet first in the ground, no right feet. If your right nadi is working, put your right feet in the ground. Then you put the left feet and walk toward the right direction only. Don't walk in the left direction. That is the message to our brain, which hemisphere of your brain is working. And so that hemisphere will work for the whole day for the betterment of you. And if your right swar is working, put your right leg first in the ground and walk towards the right side of your bed. Don't walk to the left side. If you follow this small ritual every day, I follow just this, and it has brought miraculous changes in my life. Whenever you put the left foot on the ground, suppose I woke up in the morning, my left nostril is working, that means Chandra Nadi is active. I put my left feet, took a deep breath, just have one wish, whatever wish do you have. Just inhale, visualize the wish in your brain. Then whenever you put the other leg in the ground, exhale and see that, visualize that dream of yours fulfilling. Just do this. And in few weeks, you will see the miraculous changes in your life.
So Kritiji, can you repeat that, the last thing that you said?
I will share a small experience of mine. There was one customer of mine who was not making a payment to me from last 1 year. So whenever I woke up in the morning, I first check which nostril is working. Like suppose if my left Chandra Nadi is working, I put my left feet in the ground. Okay, inhale deep and visualize, take the name of that person and visualize, make a wish that person is making my payment. Person is making a payment of my, and when I put my right leg in the ground, I will exhale. Okay, I will repeat again. Which nadi is working? You will put that leg in the ground, inhale, ask for a wish, put the other leg on the ground, exhale. ऐसा सुना है मैंने, अगर आपका पैसा जमीन में भी फंसा है तो जमीन फाड़ के पैसा निकल जाएगा, अगर आप ऐसा रोज करते हो तो। किसी ने मुझे ऐसा कहा, द मेंटर ऑफ माई टोल्ड मी दिस, अगर आपका पैसा जमीन में भी है तो जमीन फाड़ के आपका पैसा आपको मिल जाएगा, बट इट विल कम बैक टू यू. And I practiced this for a few days, and really that person gave me my money back, जो कि 1.5 साल से डूबा हुआ था. I really got the money back.
So this only applies to the money or any wish that
Any
we put in,
Any
like
wish,
about the
any
kids or
wish.
anything. So guys, here is the formula. Come on, let's do it.
It's a good formula she has given us.
Yeah. And
I
it
know,
works,
right?
You know,
So
it
I want to
works-
see.
it
I want to
works,
see in next
yes,
5
no,
days.
It works for miraculously for the love relationship also. If in your love relationship, if there is any sort of problem in your family relationship, in your marriage relationship, in your love relationship, if there is any type of problem, there is some disturbance in a marriage, there is a separation in a marriage, or some person they are not living together. So if you use this formula and visualize, take the name of a person and visualize that that person comes back to you, the person will definitely come back to you. Prachiji, we had a few sharing about this in our group. You must have heard. People told that they were living separately, but when they started applying this technique, they again had a same home.
Awesome. Yes, I heard. It was, I have heard so many experiences now, and I have started doing myself after that, especially getting up in the morning. I didn't know about the wish, so I will start working on it. But it is an amazing thing. Every time I go out, I check my nadis, and every time I'm making sure that I'm not driving during the Sushumna nadi. So those are the few things. If you start working the few
These are
things, and
very
we will
small
bring,
things.
you
These
know,
are
we
very
will
small
have-
things. In beginning, you have to check, but when you become a pro in it now, you don't have to check even. The heaviness on that side of your body made you realize which side is working. Now I don't have to check also. From the heaviness on the side of the body, you can realize which swar is working for me.
Same.
What happens when we are in heavy traffic? Just
When you are stuck in the heavy traffic.
there's so many
Mhm.
situations.
Just
So Parvesh just said, what happens when we are in heavy
meditate. That
traffic?
is the best thing. We had learned now, focus on your breath.
We can't pull away from the traffic. It's heavy, then what?
No, just stay there as if your car is broken for some time. People will just go around you.
You will definitely get a yellow ticket then.
Is it possible for the girl who wants to marry somebody?
Yes, it is.
So, okay.
I was not mentioning this because sometimes people use it in a wrong way also.
In a wrong way,
No,
yes.
because I'm going to introduce some of my, when I call them as my daughter,
Okay.
so I can just tell them
Yes,
that yes,
yes,
do
yes.
this way, so that. Thank
Yes.
you
Yes,
very
it
much,
is.
Kirti.
You must
Thank you,
take
thank
that name of that person,
Hmm.
breathe and exhale it that way. It will happen.
Thanks a lot.
Shall we go for a meditation?
Yes. And friends,
Sure, sure.
I know there are a few questions about migraine and diabetics, and trust
we
me,
will
when
take
we
it some
start
other
about
day.
disease, when
Yeah,
we
there
start
is no
about disease,
stopping. There's
long
no
list will
stopping.
open
Long
up.
stretching. Today,
I
as our time is
Pakka,
not permitting, I will come other day and we'll talk about
I
the
will
disease.
definitely bring her again. I promise you that.
My 10-year-old has a question. Is it possible for 10-year-olds also to do this? She
Of course,
Yes.
it is.
heard the entire thing.
Yes, it is possible. If they read if they read in a Chandra Nadina, they will get, they will memorize things very easily. When they sit for the exam, they should sit in a Chandra Nadi. The exams will be a super class. They will be able to recollect everything they had learned if they are writing the exam in a Surya Nadi, Chandra Nadi.
And friends, again, have your kids start at least getting up in the morning. I have always, I've started with my son. He's 12-year-old, and I've started with my son, and he's now checking every time he's getting my husband. So, slowly and gradually start. And then once she comes back, you will be pro in knowing your nadis.
pro,
You'll be
yes.
pro in, at least getting the basics out in your mind. And then when she talks more, because it will confuse you. If you want everything right now, it will confuse the whole thing, and you
Yes.
won't remember a single thing. So let's practice this.
Let's practice
Whatever,
this
let's
basic
meditate
first.
right now.
Let's practice this basic. And if you follow this Chandra and Surya Nadi, you will be disease free. Mind it, you will be disease free, because most of the disease is the imbalance of hotness and coolness in our body. If you maintain this hotness and coolness, you will be disease free. So let's sit for the meditation.
I have made you a co-host, so if you want to share the music, you can.
Everybody close your eyes. Do I need to share the posture of the meditation, or I think
I
everybody
think they
know?
already know.
You know, na? So we will just start from the okay. Just focus on your breath. Just focus on your breath.